exploring the vibrant city of San Francisco. Let's journey and explore this city. Nestled in the heart of California, this captivating metropolis offers many exciting experiences and unforgettable adventures. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, San Francisco has something for everyone. In this video we will show you from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. There is no shortage of things to do in San Francisco. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture as you stroll along the bustling streets, lined with charming Victorian houses and vibrant murals. Marvel at the architectural wonder that is the Golden Gate Bridge, its majestic presence spanning across the sparkling waters of the bay. San Francisco boasts an array of top attractions that will leave you awestruck. Explore Fisherman's Wharf, where you can indulge in fresh seafood delights while taking in breathtaking views of Alcatraz Island. Discover the vibrant neighborhoods like Chinatown and Haight-Ashbury, each with its own unique character and charm. For art enthusiasts, a visit to the world-renowned Museum of Modern Art is a must. Looking into the contemporary masterpieces and thought-provoking exhibitions that will ignite your imagination. Nature lovers will find solace at Golden Gate Park, an urban oasis teeming with lush greenery, serene lakes, and enchanting gardens. Take a leisurely bike ride or enjoy a picnic amidst nature's embrace. Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic symbol of San Francisco that graces the city. This magnificent structure stands tall and proud, capturing the hearts and imaginations of locals and tourists alike. It is not just a bridge, it is a testament to human engineering prowess and an architectural marvel. As one of the most famous landmarks in San Francisco, it has become a symbol of the city's grandeur and beauty. But what truly sets this bridge apart are the breathtaking views it offers. As you approach from afar, your eyes will be drawn to its majestic red-orange towers that seemingly pierce through the fog. And as you make your way across, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas that will leave you in awe. Whether you're strolling along Crissy Field or embarking on a boat tour beneath its towering presence, every angle provides a new perspective on this incredible structure. The sweeping views of San Francisco Bay, Alcatraz Island, and the city skyline are nothing short of mesmerizing. Alcatraz Island, step into history at the infamous prison. Captivating world and a place that holds a significant spot in history. Alcatraz has become one of the most sought-after historical sites in San Francisco. A visit to this iconic landmark is an absolute must for anyone. Stepping foot on Alcatraz Island is like stepping back in time. As you explore the grounds, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the stories that unfolded within these walls. From notorious criminals to daring escape attempts, every corner of Alcatraz holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Not only does Alcatraz offer a fascinating glimpse into the world of crime and punishment, but it also provides breathtaking views of San Francisco Bay. The island's strategic location makes it an ideal vantage point to admire the city skyline and take in the beauty of Golden Gate Bridge. Fisherman's Wharf. Indulge in delicious seafood and explore Pier 39. The enchanting world of Fisherman's Wharf, a bustling waterfront neighborhood in San Francisco. Nestled within this vibrant district is Pier 39, a captivating destination that promises an unforgettable experience for seafood enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Fisherman's Wharf is renowned for its delectable seafood offerings, making it a paradise for food lovers. From succulent Dungeness crab to mouth-watering clam chowder, the seafood restaurants in San Francisco's Fisherman's Wharf will leave you craving for more. Indulge your taste buds with the freshest catches from the Pacific Ocean and savor every bite as you immerse yourself in the culinary delights of this waterfront haven. But Fisherman's Wharf has much more to offer than just exceptional cuisine. Prepare to be captivated by Pier 39, an iconic attraction that will leave you awestruck. This vibrant pier boasts a myriad of activities and attractions that cater to all ages and interests. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures or leisurely strolls along the waterfront, Pier 39 has something for everyone. As you explore Pier 39, be prepared to encounter playful sea lions basking lazily under the sun. Witness their amusing antics as they frolic on floating docks, creating an unforgettable spectacle that will surely bring a smile to your face. From boutique shops offering unique souvenirs to street performers showcasing their talents, there is no shortage of entertainment at Pier 39. Lose yourself in its lively atmosphere and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy that permeates every corner. Union Square, shop till you drop at this bustling shopping district. Prepare to be amazed by the shopping paradise that awaits you at Union Square in San Francisco. This bustling shopping district is a haven for fashion enthusiasts and retail therapy seekers alike. With its collection of luxury boutiques and department stores, Union Square is a shopaholic's dream come true. Imagine strolling down the vibrant streets, surrounded by iconic designer brands and trendy fashion labels. From Gucci to Chanel, Louis Vuitton to Prada, Union Square boasts an impressive lineup of high-end retailers that will leave you in awe. Indulge in the latest fashion trends or find timeless pieces that exude elegance and sophistication. But Union Square isn't just about luxury boutiques, it also offers a diverse range of department stores where you can find everything you need under one roof. From flagship locations of renowned brands like Macy's and Nordstrom to specialty stores like Saks Fifth Avenue and Neiman Marcus, there's no shortage of options for every shopper's taste. As you navigate through this shopping mecca, be prepared to be captivated by the stunning architecture that surrounds you. The beautiful buildings add an extra touch of charm to your shopping experience, making it even more memorable. Chinatown, immerse yourself in a vibrant cultural experience. Prepare to be transported to a world of vibrant colors, rich traditions, and mouth-watering flavors as we delve into the captivating realm of Chinatown in San Francisco. Nestled within the heart of the city, Chinatown offers visitors an immersive experience into Chinese culture and heritage that is truly awe-inspiring. One cannot help but be captivated by the bustling streets adorned with ornate red lanterns and intricate architecture that beautifully reflects the essence of Chinese design. As you wander through this enchanting neighborhood, you will encounter a myriad of shops and markets, each offering a treasure trove of authentic goods and souvenirs. But it's not just the shopping that makes Chinatown so special. It's the culinary delights that truly take your senses on an extraordinary journey. From delectable dim sum to mouth-watering Peking duck, every bite is a symphony of flavors that will leave you wanting more. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable dining experience as you indulge in some of the most authentic Chinese cuisine outside of China itself. Beyond its visual splendor and gastronomic wonders, Chinatown also serves as a cultural hub where ancient traditions are celebrated with great fervor. From colorful parades during Lunar New Year to traditional festivals steeped in history, there is always something happening in this vibrant community. Exploratorium. Ignite your curiosity with interactive science exhibits. Prepare to have your curiosity ignited at the Exploratorium SF, a hands-on science museum that offers an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Step into a world of interactive exhibits and prepare to be captivated by the wonders of science. At the Exploratorium, learning becomes an adventure as you engage with a wide range of educational activities. The museum boasts a vast collection of interactive exhibits that encourage visitors to explore, experiment, and discover. From physics and biology to astronomy and art, there is something for everyone to marvel at. Immerse yourself in the world of science as you touch, observe, and interact with fascinating displays. Whether it's creating mesmerizing patterns with sand on a vibrating plate or witnessing the power of electricity through captivating experiments, each exhibit is designed to ignite your curiosity and leave you in awe. What sets the Exploratorium apart is its commitment to making science accessible and engaging for all ages. It's not just a place for kids. Adults too can relish in the joy of discovery while exploring complex scientific concepts through hands-on activities. Take a stroll in Golden Gate Park. Enjoy the park's lush gardens, museums like the De Young Museum, and the peaceful Japanese tea garden. Ride a cable car, experience the city's iconic transportation system, and take in the sights as you climb the famous hilly streets. Visit the Painted Ladies. Admire the picturesque Victorian and Edwardian houses, known as the Painted Ladies, against the backdrop of the city skyline. Explore the Mission District. Discover the vibrant street art, trendy shops, and diverse culinary scene of this culturally rich neighborhood. Tour the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art, SFMOMA. Marvel at the impressive collection of contemporary and modern art in this world-class museum. Take a scenic drive down Lombard Street. Experience the crookedest street in the world, with its tight turns and beautifully landscaped gardens. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in a comment what you thought of this video. Also, if you have any suggestions on new videos too. Let us know your opinion or suggestions on the best new videos we can make for you too.